Hey everyone, Jasper here with a TV dinner review. Here we have Celeste Pizza for one, and this is the pepperoni edition. Made with pork, chicken added. Wow. Never heard of putting chicken on a pizza. Microwaves in 2 minutes. Well, I don't like doing things in the microwave, so here we are. You can put this in your conventional oven or the microwave. I choose to use the oven. It seems like it cooks better. So what does one of these look like if we pull it out? Obviously the box is about an inch thick, so that tells us right there. So it looks like it's sealed for our protection. Okay. Honestly, just looks like an oversized cookie. Well, I got myself a cookie sheet that's close enough to a tray, and I'm just going to open this up and we're going to slide it on there. Honestly, I've had these before. They don't really taste well. That was several years ago, so maybe they've improved. Not to say that Celeste is a bad company. I just hadn't had them in a while. So that's what it looks like without the wrapping, and as you can see, now I can smell the pepperoni on this, and it's frozen, so only time can tell. So I'm going to go ahead and spare you guys and gals the oven shot. Seems like those don't turn out very well, and we'll come back and see what this looks like after it has been cooked. Well, I pulled it out of the oven, and this is what it looks like. Looks like a brain. Yeah, it doesn't look like any pepperoni pizza I've seen before, but let's try this. And yes, I'm using an overly grotesque pizza slice. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this on a plate. I didn't want to dent up my cookie sheet. We're going to see what this tastes like. I'm hoping these improved. And I followed the directions for crispy because I like having a crispy crust, and so far I can tell this is crispy. Now, what does this actually taste like? That's the question. So you can see, what is that, about a ½ an inch thick? Let's try it. From what I can remember, these have improved a little bit. Despite what it looks like, it doesn't taste like a pepperoni pizza. But as thin as this is, I don't think one of these would fill up a grown person. Maybe a small child. But honestly though, it's not half bad. Not the best, but I have to say, this would be enough for a quick snack, like if you're in an office building, maybe for a short lunch break. Well, if you have a microwave, but I don't know what these taste like the microwave. Maybe we'll have to do another run one time. I'll have to get another one of these and try it in the microwave and see how it tastes. See if it tastes different from the conventional oven. And that is the Pepperoni Pizza by Celeste.